Hey friends, if you wish to fix Realtek HD Audio Driver issues on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. So you can check for Realtek Audio Drivers on your search bar and then go to the Realtek website. Scroll down and download the first option. Select I accept the above, download this file. Okay, XCC. Okay, I will try to submit the captcha and then I will be able to download this file and install the software from it. But other than this, you can simply search for device manager and open device manager, expand the list for audio inputs and outputs, right click and update the drivers. It's so easy. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.